Hi again. So we are going to do another color wheel. Now I know you're probably like, wait. We already did a color wheel. Yeah, but if you look at the new color wheel, there's even more colors. Now you may have noticed that sometimes crayons come in like really big boxes, like boxes of like 64, like 120 something colors. That's because there's funky colors, not just primary colors, not just secondary colors, but something called tertiary colors. So tertiary colors are when you have a primary and a secondary color mixed together. So for example, red and violet make red violet. So red violet is that tertiary color when you mix a primary and a secondary color together. Now if those terms are a little confusing to you, go back in your sketchbook and review them. Look at our first color wheel. Go back over what the primary and the secondary colors are and what those characteristics are of a primary and secondary color. But for this color wheel, you need to fill in the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, the secondary colors, orange, green, and violet, as well as the tertiary colors, red-orange, yellow-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, and red-violet. So this is like an extreme color wheel, okay? So if you need help, feel free to ask me. You can look at my picture as a reference, but I know that you guys can do this, okay? Have fun.